I'm joined in the studio today with some amazing dancers from Dance Etc. They are part of one of our junior lyrical competitive teams, and we're going to demonstrate today a really simple progression exercise that your dancers can do from one side of the room to the other that helps them transition and helps them practice their transitions from the floor to standing and vice versa. I think some people forget that dancing isn't just about tricks and kicks and leaps and things like that and turns. It's all about those little transitions that bring each individual step together. And so transitioning from the floor is something that we see that can be a little bit challenging. So today we're going to try and fix that by practicing this really fun combination. So we're going to do it for you right now. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay. So we're going to demonstrate it on our right leg to start with. Now the first version that we're going to teach you is more of a beginner intro into transitioning from the floor and standing. So these exercises are going to add a roll. So, and that's very common in your lyrical dancing and in jazz as well, and even in hip hop too, but we're going to learn it in more of a lyrical sense. So we're going to start with pointing our right foot in front of us. Your arms are going to be down by your side and they're going to be reaching through your fingertips. Try not to make these arms sort of flap around. You want to hold them nice and still and holding them in towards your body. So we're going to take a step with our right leg, making sure that our feet are pointed every time we take a step. We're going to walk one. Then we're going to walk with our left leg, two. On our third, we're going to take a step, we're going to rise onto our demi-point on your right foot. As you're on your right foot only, extend your left leg behind you as you pivot towards the front of the room. Great, keep that leg behind you at all times. Then you're going to very quietly and very softly kneel onto your left leg. Great, try to keep your chest up nice and high. We're going to roll on our left hip, looking towards the back of the room, pointing your toes, bending your knees as you roll around. Placing your left leg on top and standing up. Now it's really important as you stand up that you lead with your chest, not with the top of your head. And stepping up with a pointed foot, and then you're ready to go again. Now the next time we do that, we're just going to move back a little bit so we've got some space. So that's the first time. The second time you go down the room, we're going to do the exact same thing, but this time we're going to have a nice fan position as we roll on the floor. So the start is exactly the same. Walking on our right leg, one. Walking on our left leg, two. As we step on our right leg, pivot to the front, keep your arms by your side, stretch your back leg behind you, slowly coming down. Right leg is going to be straight, you're going to extend it, open into a fan, rotate our left leg over and above, standing up with your chest lifted, pointing your right leg behind you, and then you're ready to go again. Let's try it a little bit faster.
This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. I'm cranking up on the throttle, victory is mine. Show you the harder the battle, harder I fight. I've come too far to quit. Step back, I'm going in. I'm cranking up on the throttle. This is how legends are made.
In the studio that you also do it on the other leg as well. You want to make sure that you're training and that you're training evenly on both sides. Thank you for joining us for another episode of ETC Studio Sessions. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can see some more awesome videos from our amazing dancers. And we look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you. Bye.
Bye!